day 10 and our last day in the beautiful Fiji. We started the morning off early and went to our Eco Tracks tour. Basically, these are electric bikes in tandem on a railway track. So you can pedal if you want, or you could just let the bike do all the work. It was so lovely to see the local village children come out and say hello. The flowers and the trees and just this little path through was so beautiful. But not as beautiful as the kids. At the end of the track, we stopped at this beach for an hour. I went for a snorkel, then we ate these beautiful fresh fruit platters. Then we just chilled out, relaxed, chatted with the staff.
Bula, bula, bula.
Brittany!
It was beautiful to have the wind in your hair, but also see Fiji in a different light. Thank you to staff. Happy birthday for today, Brittany. And thank you to the most entertaining tour guide, Dolly. We headed back to the resort for lunch. Then we went and had a really long nap in the afternoon. When we woke up, it was time for a drink and to head to the all-you-can-eat seafood buffet. Now, I didn't film all of this because the room was too huge, the display was too huge, and there was so much food. After we stuffed ourselves silly full of seafood, it was time for cocktails by the bar and all our favourite papa uros. Then some beautiful entertainment before the staff sang just for us. Thank you to everyone at the Sofitel. We loved it and we can't wait to see everyone again.